This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix autocorrect not working properly after your last iOS update. Follow these step-by-step solutions to fix this issue. The first solution is go to your iPhone settings, scroll down, tap on accessibility, scroll down and tap on keyboards. Tap on full keyboard access, enable full keyboard access, and then again go to your iPhone settings, scroll down and tap on general, tap on keyboard, and here enable autocorrection and predictive, and then check the issue. And the last solution is reset keyboard dictionary. Go to your iPhone settings and scroll down, tap on general, scroll down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset, tap on reset keyboard dictionary. Once done, hope any of this solution will fix autocorrect not working issue on your iPhone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.